Yes, I know there are effects in Premiere Pro that can enhance your voice, but they can't really fix audio that's been heavily damaged by extreme noise like traffic or construction. For example, this audio was recorded right next to a busy road. It was very noisy and definitely not good enough to upload on YouTube. But listen to this now. This is what it sounds like after being enhanced. Amazing, right? Now you might be thinking, wait a minute Waqas, didn't you just say Premiere Pro can't fix this kind of damaged sound? So what's the trick here? You are right, but it wasn't enhanced in Premiere Pro. This was actually done with an AI tool, and I'll show you how. All you need to do is to head over to this website, click on Enhance Speech. From here, simply drag and drop your audio file. Wait for it to upload. And once it's done, the tool will automatically enhance it, and boom, your messy noisy recording turned into crystal clear sound. Download it and you are good to go. This tool works in most cases, but if you want to experiment with alternatives, you can also try this website. It also works in similar ways. One tip though, use this website when your audio is completely ruined. For regular enhancement, Premiere Pro is still the best option. In fact, I have already shared a step-by-step tutorial on how to improve your voice inside Premiere Pro. Plus, a preset that does it all with just one click. Make sure to check out that video. I'll catch you there. Until then, peace.